Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Sprout Social for analytics-driven marketing step by step clearly. To register with Sprout Social for analytics-driven marketing, begin by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Sprout Social's website. Once you reach the homepage, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration page. Here, you will need to enter your email address. Choose a strong password for your account. Fill in your first and last name in the designated fields. Select your business type from the options provided. After completing these fields, click on Next or Continue. You may be prompted to provide additional information about your company. This may include your business's social media goals and the platforms you wish to manage. Once you've provided this information, click on Next again. Sprout Social will now ask for your social media profile details. Input the URLs of your social media accounts. Once this step is complete, review your information for accuracy. When everything looks correct, proceed by clicking on Create Account. You will receive a confirmation email from Sprout Social. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will verify your account and redirect you to Sprout Social's login page. Enter your registered email address and password to log in. Upon logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Sprout Social may guide you through an initial setup process. Follow any prompts to connect your social media platforms. Once connected, explore the analytics features available. Review the settings to customize your analytics preferences. Finally, you are now ready to utilize Sprout Social for your marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.